fraught with confusion. One man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. And today we're going to cover a question that was posted by one of the viewers. But before we get into that, I'd like to remind you to press that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell so that you don't miss out on any of the series we're doing this month on moderating. And with that, let's get into today's question. I was asked about moderating from multiple platforms, and I wanted to talk about that today. Yes, it's possible. I have done streams where the content creator has streamed to YouTube, a personal Facebook page, and a business Facebook page. And then sometimes even LinkedIn is added into that too. So it is possible. What I usually do in cases like that is whatever I post in YouTube, I'll post those comments in Facebook and LinkedIn if we're going in that direction. The thing to keep in mind is it all depends on what permissions that you have. You may only have moderating permissions on YouTube, and you might not have those permissions on Facebook. On LinkedIn, there is no such thing as a moderator. So on LinkedIn, you're just nothing more than a regular viewer, and all you can do is post links. You can't remove any chats, anything that's posted. As I said, you're just the same as everybody else. You're just a basic viewer on LinkedIn. But that's different on YouTube and Facebook. So it all depends upon the permissions that you have on the platform. It also depends on the content creator. You know, what the content creator wants you to do. Again, as we've talked before, your agreement with that content creator, if I could talk today. So while it is possible, it can get a little confusing. It depending on how busy things are going in that, trying to keep an eye on. I usually have Facebook or YouTube on my main screen, and then I'll have a Facebook stream or Facebook streams, whatever, on my second monitor that I kind of keep an eye on. So again, I'm just posting the same links, whatever, on YouTube over on Facebook. So, it's usually not too crazy, but it can be. I have been on large events where we've had the moderators separated out so that there's certain moderators on YouTube and there's certain moderators that are responsible for the different Facebook channels. And then if there's other platforms or things that they're using, moderators assigned to that. So it depends upon the circumstances and what's going on. But it does get confusing. It can. But, it just depends. And, you have to also remember that you are in most cases, a volunteer moderator. So it all depends upon how much you want to do. Do you want to go to all those places, or do you only want to just focus on one platform? Again, it's up to you, and it's also dependent upon the content creator and, the agreement that you have with that person. So I hope this question got answered today. And again, as always, if you need more clarification on something, or you have a question that you want to ask me and you want me to talk about in one of the future episodes, please put it in the contents below, comment section below, and we will get it addressed for you. And if it's something that I don't know, maybe we do a live session and we work it out together. So keep watching and join me again tomorrow for the next episode. Thank you very much.